Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today I have these kids' seatbelt covers, and if you have children, you know that sometimes those seatbelts can get a little uncomfortable, cut into them a little bit. And this has a little tape piece on top that we're going to cut through. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Cut this open. So that is it's a nice soft plush on one side, and then on the other side you have your Velcro that can go around your seat belt, and then it has a nice little cushion here as well, so it's nice and super soft. So we'll go out to our one vehicle. We'll put this on the seatbelt, and I'll show you how it sits and covers, and we go from there. Stay tuned. Okay, so you have your little one strapped in the back. So you unvelcro this, and then you are basically setting your seatbelt up. Put a Velcro in behind this. You Velcro it all into place. So it sits up there like that, so it's not cutting in. You got a nice little pillow the little guys can rest on. You move this down. You know, depending on the situation, you put it up here higher, so it's a nice little. You want to take a nice little nap, so it's supportive for your neck, and it keeps that seatbelt from cutting into. It just keeps that seatbelt from cutting into your little one's neck and his shoulder area. But I think that is a super fantastic idea. Brian from Garage Hall, thanks for watching, and be safe and comfortable out there. And I forgot to tell you that these are also, it's a removable cover, so you can pull out the little pillow part, and these are machine washable. And then you put your pillow back in. And then get your Velcro centered up. And you're good to go again. Anyway, be safe out there.